Hello, this is the my favorite pocket knife, the Spyderco VO2. As you can see, it's a very easy open. I had it laser etched with my initials, and because I'm a Trekkie, I had it laser etched on the blade. On the flip side of the blade, and because of the blade is so reflective, it's going to be hard to see. There is a laser etching of a starship on there, but the knife itself is really well made. Keeps a wonderful edge, opens very easily, has the Spyderco logo. It's made of VG10, a steel from Japan. There's very nice grooving on top. So that also is another way to open up the blade. I've never had a problem with this knife. It's gotten to the point that I like this knife so much that I actually only carry it on special occasions now, and I carry another Spyderco knife. Spyderco no longer has this knife in production, so I take very good care of it. It's a pity. I'd really recommend this knife to anybody. If you see it on eBay or somebody selling it, I'd say buy it. I've seen a lot of people have actually seen my knife, Spyderco collectors, and made some good offers on it. And Star Trek fans alone have seen it and made a lot of good offers on it, because it's pretty much one of a kind. Well, anyway, that's my favorite pocket knife, and I hope I impressed you enough to win the contest. Thank you.